What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we are going to have a quick review of one more triple driver over-ear headphones. We are going to have a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on its design, performance, highlighted features, pros and cons. So let's start it. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Here is the picture of the headphone, high-res audio certification, one more branding. Here we got some information about the device, that it comes with graphene driver, ceramic tweeter and passive radiator. These are the three drivers we got, and it delivers an extremely accurate and powerful listening experience because it's expertly tuned by Grammy-winning sound engineer Luca Bignardi. On the side here is the one more branding. On the back side we got some information about the device, some specification. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we go. You can see that this is a very premium looking box we got inside, and the sound wave is very bright changing color. It's shiny and the material of the box is so good as well. It feels so good while holding in hand. And here we go. So here is the blueprint of the headphone we got inside. It's nice to see how it got its design and what is the concept behind this headphone. So here we got a carrying case, some user manual, quick start guide, and there is a sticker provided as well. Here we got a pouch to carry the headphone. There is one more branding. And here is our one more triple driver over ear headphones. You can see that the interior of the box is pretty premium as well. Here we got some stuff. So this is the cable that we have to connect to our music device, whether it's an MP3 player or your smartphone or laptop. A 6.3 mm audio adapter to connect your headphone to professional equipments. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of one more triple driver headphone: the case, the headphone, the carrying pouch, user manuals, 6.3 mm audio adapter and 3.5 mm cable. And now let's talk about the design of the one more triple driver over-ear headphones. So the very first thing that we will notice, and the thing that I like most about the design of this headphones, is the exterior of the ear cups. It looks very steampunky, and because of that it looks pretty different compared to rest of the headphones available in the market. Talking about the build quality, it comes with anodized aluminum alloy ear cups that makes it pretty durable, and it is fingerprint resistant as well. One more officially calls it Trident base reflector because of the three trident you can see on the ear cups. The combination of the plastic and alloy metal looks premium, and the matte finish even improves the beauty of the headphones. And if you have a look on the headband and the cushion of the ear cups, you can see that it perfectly matches with the matte finish and the color of the rest of the parts of the headphone. The cushions are very comfortable, they perfectly cover the ear, and it helps in reducing the ambient sound and noise as well. On the interior of the ear cups you will find L and R written in bold big size letters, and because of that you will never put the headphones on the wrong ear. Just like any other headphones these days, the headband is adjustable and it can also be folded to keep it in the box or just carry easily in your bag or to just store it somewhere. The 3.5 mm cable provided is also very premium, and the build quality is great as well. It is an oxygen-free copper wire and it comes with Kevlar, so you can get the idea about the durability of the cable provided, and it is tangle-free as well. The inner side of the headband comes with grooves that distribute the pressure equally all over your head for a comfortable listening experience. So overall, the design of one more triple driver over-ear headphones is premium and comfortable from every perspective. The design is so beautiful, the build quality is great, the material used in this headphone is of premium quality, whether it's the leather headband or the aluminum metal alloy material or the matte finished plastic. Everything looks premium from every angle, and it provides a great listening experience as well because it is so comfortable. I was able to use these headphones for hours without feeling any discomfort or pain or pressure on my skull or ears. So in terms of design and comfort level, One More triple driver over-ear headphones is a great product for sure. And now let's talk about the audio quality. As the name suggests, this headphone comes with 40mm graphite dynamic driver plus a ceramic tweeter and plus a bass reflector. So these are the three drivers we got here on this One More headphone, and because of that you get all parts of music, the highs, mids and the lows perfectly on this One More triple driver over-ear headphones. The audio quality is brilliant. You will be able to listen every single instrument precisely and clearly while listening music on this headphone. It is tuned by the Grammy Award winning sound engineer Luca Bignardi, and because of that the audio output is really perfectly tuned, and because of that, as I said, you will be able to listen every single instrument perfectly and every note, whether it's high, mid or low, clearly as it's supposed to be. The audio is loud enough, and even though this headphone does not come with noise cancellation feature, the ear cups are so perfectly designed that they cover the ears totally and isolate the ambient sound while you are listening music. And because of that you get a feeling of noise cancellation, and it improves the listening experience a lot because no sound is leaking or going outside the ear cups or ear, and none of the noise is coming inside as well. So overall, One More triple driver headphone is one of the best headphone available for a complete music experience because of its fine-tuned premium triple drivers. And now let's talk about pros and cons. Few of the pros and good things about this headphone is that the design is amazing, it's so comfortable, it comes with premium build quality and material, the audio quality is amazing, and you can listen music on this for hours without feeling discomfort. Since there is no battery in it, you can use and listen music on this headphone continuously. All you have to do, just connect the 3.5mm cable provided with your music player, whether it's your smartphone or laptop, and you will be good to go. Now talking about few of the drawbacks, since this is not a wireless headphone and you will have to use the provided cable to listen music on it, you cannot use it in gym or while doing intense physical activities. Also, since it is not a Bluetooth or wireless headphone, there is no smartphone application provided to customize the audio experience. So this is one of the features not available, but this headphone is already fine-tuned by a Grammy award winning sound engineer, so you must not be worrying about it too much. So overall, One More triple driver over-ear headphones is a great headphone, especially for the music lovers. Its design is beautiful, the build quality and the material used are so premium, the headband is so comfortable, the cushions are so comfortable, so you can listen music for hours without having any kind of discomfort or pain. The audio quality is amazing, the triple driver provide great audio experience, and the headphone is fine-tuned by a Grammy award winning sound engineer. So if you are a music lover and you are looking for a headphone to get studio quality audio experience in your house, then this is one of the best headphones that you can get for you. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.